In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a referral, Piggyvest referral code. But I was actually checking through, and I noticed that after I click on account on this page right here, then I scroll all the way down and click on refer and earn. So they tell me that this is actually coming soon, which means the referral is not available, or maybe they actually try to relaunch in few days. As they stated, this feature is relaunching in few days, which means the option is actually available before maybe 1 or 2, or they are actually working on something, so they're trying to relaunch these features. And it was stated that if you refer one person, you're able to get 1,000 naira per each referral, which actually makes sense compared to some other apps that pay you 500 naira or something like that. So I think that's gonna be a good one. So if I refer like 100 people, probably I'll be able to earn like 100,000 naira. That's quite amazing. But then currently it's not available. You can also check, because I don't know when exactly you wanna be watching this video, so there's a chance that they have actually launched that. So once you click on that, you should be able to get your own referral code, and then you can send it to people which you believe they're gonna be interested in signing up on Piggyvest. Then you can earn up to 1,000 naira from anybody that actually use your referral link.